The Nigeria Labour Congress Presido, Joe Ajaero, bin declare total and indefinite shutdown of the nation within 14 working days or 21 days inside one statement dem release after one meeting dem hold on Thursday 31st August. Oga Ajaero con tok say di strike action dey important as government don neglect and disregard to engage di relevant stakeholders through di channel of social dialogue. E still tok say federal government no gree reach agreement with di organised labour on critical issues of di effect of di high prices of petrol wey don bring massive suffering for Naija workers and di pipo, and say di federal government need to increase di minimum wage. Una go remember say di NLC, after di National Executive Council (NEC) meeting on Thursday, dem threa ten to embark on 2 days warning strike on September 5th and 6th, 2023. Na im di NLC Edo State chapter under the leadership of Comrade Odion Olaye, wey be di state chairman, come carry waka round different places for Edo State to shut down di activities of di place like bank, House of Assembly, High Court, the Benin Central Park, Civil Service Commission, BEDC, some filling station and others. After the waka, the NLC chairman Comrade Odion Olaye talk to our Tori person Ifunanya Okweze, wey join dem for the waka, come talk say dem go continue the waka tomorrow as the strike go still dey on.
The 2-day warning strike, today as the first day. For now, there is a very compliance. Like you can see the Secretariat building, the High Court. In short, all government parastatals was shut down today, including the banks, including the Central Motor Park. So there is improvement. It's encouraging. The outcome is very, very order. You can see this for yourself. Even the 9 posts where they have their members, and we also have our members there, we shut it down. So whether TUC is joining us, they are not joining us, all we know is that we have 42 affiliate unions, and they have 8 affiliate unions. How can that one disturb us? What we are doing, not going back. We'll complete it tomorrow, and from next tomorrow, we'll start discussing with the government. The compliance is 100%.
Make you not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From TMC Studio, Belumi Mokoro, TMC TV News.